Sound of explosions were heard in Nila and Huikan border area of Tekna from Myanmar on Monday night. Intermittent heavy mortar shelling sounds were found since Monday midnight from inside Myanmar. The sound of explosions also heard in Pulardale and Waprang border areas of Nila Union in Teknaf. At this time, the locals became terrified. Rashid Mohammad Ali, chairman of Nila Union Parishad, said that after hearing the explosion sound, local people became afraid, but now they are now on alert. No one is going out without need. However, the escalating conflict between Myanmar's military and ethnic organization EAO is a matter of concern for Bangladesh.
1, 2, 3 ঢাকায় জমি জিতে নিন 100% ক্যাশব্যাক সহ 20 কোটি টাকার পুরস্কার।